Could you imagine predicting a plane crash? Well, I did that January 11th, and the video of me predicting multiple plane crashes went viral on TikTok with over 2.3 million views, and I gained over 50,000 new followers in like 24 hours. So it's pretty crazy. I'm a medium, a channel, I'm an energy healer, and the point of me making that video was to help people anticipate travel delays, not because I thought everybody was going to meet with a perilous end. But I want to dig into this story a little bit more to tell you how spirit works. I happen to notice that I have like thousands of people DMing me with wanting to ask me just one question, and I very rarely respond to any of those. I happen to open up the DMs of requests, scroll, randomly connect to one person's profile, and it was a woman who knew members of the US figure skating people that were on that plane, and that she was dealing with the deep grief of how to process through everything. So I said, I'm going to give you a free reading, gave her a link, we jumped on Zoom, and I truly believe that the purpose of me making that video was for me to have a connection to the woman I met. That woman, who had been a professional skater herself, who had worked with some of these people, I believe that my purpose as the intuitive that I am was to help her step even more into the purpose of what her life is as a result of the tragic accident that occurred. And that is to help other young professional skaters or athletes find the healthiest, best ways to thrive and yet be competitive. But to watch her energy shift from being in a place of self-doubt into a place of confidence, where she suddenly realized that her life has purpose, and that the sadness and the grief that of losing people that she loved and that she was connected to was setting her up for the purpose of what her life would be. And if you have ever dealt with a sudden car accident of a loved one, whether that was connected to substance abuse, or if you've ever dealt with somebody who has OD'd and there's been some kind of like hard piece to process, because addiction is never easy, I want you to understand that those people who survive tragic events like this oftentimes will become healers themselves. So the universe works in mysterious ways, and that no matter what hardship or tragedy you have dealt with in your life, I want you to understand it is to help you gain wisdom, and that wisdom will help heal others. So if you're interested in wanting to learn more about me, check me out with the link in my bio. I have a free past life reading. If you want to understand what your purpose is here in this life, I'm going to tell you a little bit about your past life. Or you could just check out me on any of my other social media apps or CamelaHurley.com. But the message here is the universe has a purpose, even if in the trauma of it we don't understand. There is still purpose, and there's meaning, and there's light that will emerge from the crisis. So have faith, my friend. The universe is always traveling with you.